Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can put the new updated videos in the back of your Google Meets as your background instead of a static image. They are going to be pushing this out soon. You can upload your own videos or you can grab the ones that they have. They're going to have three videos that you can put in the background. It's going to look something like this. You can see here, if we go to settings, background, I've uploaded my own background here. You can also have it be an image. That's the differences between videos. And so let's show you how to do that. First things first, you need to be updated to Google Chrome 87 plus. The way that you can do that is if you open up a Chrome window or a Chrome tab, you click on the three dots over on the right, go down to settings. Over here where it says About Chrome, you can click on About Chrome and it'll show you which version you're on. I'm on 91. Blah, 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 blah. You want to be on 87 plus. So anything higher than 87 and this will be an option for you. So there's a couple different websites where you can go and grab free MP4s or videos. One of the ones I like is Pexels. It's free. There's thousands of images. I obviously have my own. I really like waterfalls, and so whenever we go out hiking or go places, I grab waterfalls in slow motion. You can also do landscapes, you can do nightscapes, you can do cityscapes, you can search whatever you want. When you search for that, you just click on videos, and you'll see that you're going to get some of these really cool slow motion, like drone shots or ocean shots or different things like that. Here's a nightscape one here. So I would just download that. It's free. Obviously they want you to give you credit, but they are free when people upload these here. So we're going to wait for that to download. And if I come back to my Google Meet, you'll see here that I am just on a static background, and here's no background, right? This is my home behind me. When I click on the plus sign, I'm going to be able to add an image or a recording from my computer. So I'm going to grab that night sky one. Maybe it's still uploading. And this one. So we're going to open this one. And you'll see now that I've actually got a video behind me in my Google Meet. That's something that just came out, I think, on the 7th of this month. It should be pushing out to all Workspace users, and both on free and paid accounts, whether you're with a school or on your personal account. And again, the way that you would do that is you come to the three dots in your Meet, you click on Change Background, you click on Add, and then you will pull that image from your computer. And you'll see this is the kind of drone shot at nighttime of a city. And then you can have a video background as your background in Google Meet. Again, I hope to save you time, energy, and frustration. Also add a little bit of fun to your Google Meets as you're running through those. If you're here, it's most likely because you work in education or you've landed here somehow by a search. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.